Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today I'm going to solve a very important math question which is asked in almost all of these entrance exams. Okay, so I thought that for once and for all, let me just make all your doubts clear. Okay, and this is like super easy. Okay, for me to explain this, you will have to just understand the simple explanation that in case, let's say we had x plus 1 upon x is equals to n. So in that case, if you had to find x square plus 1 upon x square, then that is nothing but what? Just do n square minus 2. Okay, and if you had to find x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4, now please understand that degrees are getting doubled. Okay, so what you will do is you will just result, whatever is your result, n square minus 2, square it and then again subtract 2. Okay, now for cube, x cube plus 1 upon x cube, all you have to do is n cube minus 3n. So now again, if we had x raised to 6 plus 1 upon x raised to 6, all you have to do is just take care of this result. Okay, so that is what? N cube minus 3n, okay, the whole square minus again 2. Okay, so this is the logic where you have understood, or where we have understood how to find x raised to 2, x raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 6. Now what happens when it is x raised to 5 plus 1 upon x raised to 5? Here it is a bit different. What you do is you take the result of this, which is n square minus 2, means you take the result of x square, then you multiply it with x cube, which is what? N cube minus 3n, and then you just subtract the number itself, which is n. If you want, you all can take a pause at this video and you know what, or take a screenshot, or you can take a screenshot when I solve all of these with the help of this particular logic, so you know how what should be the answer over here as well. Okay students, please don't worry, here this looks a bit scary, but it is not at all scary. I'll just show you with the help of example. So we have x plus 1 upon x the whole raised to, sorry, x plus 1 upon x is equals to 3. So when you want the square, we do what? N square, so 9, so 3 square minus 2, so that is 9 minus 2, that gets you 7. For x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4, we just square this answer, which is what? 49, and then you subtract 2, so you get 49 minus 2 gets you 47. Okay, now here, which is what? For x cube plus 1 upon x cube, we will do 3 cube, which is 27, minus 3 into 3, that gets you 9, so 27 minus 9, that gets you 18. Okay, now 18, so we do 18 square minus 2. For x raised to 6, 1 upon x raised to 6, and we know that 18 square is nothing but 324, minus 2 gets you 322. So this is the answer for x raised to 6 plus 1 upon x raised to 6. Okay, now students, if you feel that you can't find the square so easily, or you don't remember those things by heart, then there is one video which can solve all these doubts of yours. I'll put a link of that on top of this, on the top or in the description as well. Okay, so please go ahead and check it out, how to remove squares of any number. So now for this one, we have what? We'll multiply the result of x raised to 2, that is 7, into x raised to 3, that is 18. Whatever is the answer, we are going to subtract 3 from there. Okay, so we have 7 into 18, that gets you 126. 126 minus 3 gets you 123. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. But students, now I'm sure you all will be wondering, everything is about plus. So what happens when there is a negative sign involved? So please understand. So we have two situations to worry about. One is the given data, and another is question. Okay, so if the given data is plus and the question is also asked in plus, like in all of these cases, then what you do is, here you are subtracting. You're subtracting 2, subtracting 3. n, subtracting minus n, subtracting minus 2, like that. Now if here you had a plus and here there was a minus in the question, then you would have, what you have done is add. If there was a minus and plus, then also you would have done addition. And if there was a minus and minus, then also you would have done addition. Means, okay, I'll just change the pen. So here in this case, if this was negative, and so here you would have added. Okay, and if this was also negative, here obviously this would have been addition, and then this would also have been addition. Okay, so to clear your doubts, I have made certain questions. These questions were asked in a few of the entrances as well. So let's quickly solve them. Also, students, don't forget, at the end of this video I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you can mention in the comment section. Okay, so now we have x minus 1 upon x is equals to 5, and we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So in that case, what you do is take square of 5, which is 25. Now since there is an opposite signs, we will do addition of 2. So your answer is what? 27. Okay, now we are looking at 27 square plus 2. 27 square is nothing but what? 729 plus 2 gets you what? 731. Okay, so now for this one we have x plus 1 upon x is equals to 3. Now we are looking at x square minus 1 upon x square. So we are looking at 3 square, which is 9, plus 2 gets you 11. Now this is 11 square, which is 121, plus 2 gets you, that gets you 123. So now you have 123 square plus 2. Why x raised to 8 minus 1 upon x raised to 8 is like that? Because please understand, here in this particular case, what happens is, whenever the degrees are getting doubled, the answer will also get square, and you will just add a 2 over here. Okay, so now please understand, if you want me to help you find bigger number squares, like I said, I'll put up a video of that. So this is basically 15129 plus 2, that gets you 15131. Okay, so that is something which you can do with the help of that video. That trick is wonderful. It will work for all of these bigger number squares. So now we have x plus 1 upon x is equals to 4, and we have x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So now what we will do is, in that case, we will do 4 cube, that is 64, plus 3n, no? So that is plus 12. So that gets you how much? 76. 76 is the answer for this one. And now we will take square of 76, plus we will add 2 here. So 76 square. Okay, I'll just show you orally. 49. This is 7 into 6 is 42, into 2 is going to get you 84, and 36. So 6 carried, so 7, 8 carried, so 5, 7, 7, 6 plus 2. My final answer is 5, 7, 7, 8. Okay, so you saw how easy this is. So now I want you to tell me, if x plus 1 upon x is equals to 4, tell me what is the value of x raised to 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 2. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.